So I made a video of the best way to do a stucco patch. Here's the final end result of our patchwork. As you can see, it turned out really good. It's not always feasible to do a corner to corner patch. Here's an example. We did this patch down here a while ago. The guys did an excellent job of blending in the texture. Now, this is a typical patch, looks great. It's just a small little area. However, over here, we had an entire garage door and multiple areas to blend in. It was feasible to go corner to corner. Now this is still a patch underneath here. All we did is take the finished materials, which is a level X with the mesh, and then apply the finished acrylic stucco corner to corner. So here's a look at our video that we did of the patchwork as it was happening. So if you're ever patching in existing stucco to new stucco, use this level X mesh. And that is how you blend in the old with the new. So by using this method, it will look as if it never happened. We added that door, we added that window. There used to be a garage door here. You will never be able to tell by the way these guys are doing this. So let that dry a little bit and start working it. That's exactly how you do a patch. So here's the patch. Corner to corner, CI base with the mesh. So we let that dry for what, about a week? And then come and do the final finish. And that's how a patch is done. And here's the finished product.